Hi everyone! In today's video we were very kindly sent this very cute little box that is an all-in-one quick building kit by Born Pretty. So we'll be doing an unboxing and I'll be playing about with it very quickly at the end of the video. So starting off, I really wanted to show you guys the packaging. I feel like it comes in a very cute little compact box and I love the colours. Pink is my absolute favourite colour. You probably all know by now. Majority of my sets are pink, so this is just such a cute little box, and I love the combination between the black and the matte finish on it. I just think it's super little cute little box. And so start off opening it up, we see that the very first thing we have is a nail file. It's a very cute little compact nail file. I love this kit very much because you can literally take it anywhere with you. You can literally have your nails done on the go. So as you can see, one side is much more rougher than the other, which is amazing. We also have some instructions, of course, just quick instructions. There's not really much to it. It's mainly to do with the nail lamp that's inside. We are also given 2 sheets of those quick French tip little stickers, which are always so handy. They're literally the best thing when you don't know how to do a French tip or you're literally on the go and you don't have time to perfect it. Those stickers are literally the best. We are also given this little chromy powder, and I love these so much. I have a very few actually in my collection, so it's so nice to get one in this kit. And it's in the shade red, and I think it's amazing. I will show you at the end of the video me actually playing about with this chrome. And it's so nice. I don't actually have a red in my collection. I have normal like silvery goldy ones, but I don't have a red. So this is going to come in very handy. So that's what that is looking like. And then the last 2, oh well, a bit more than 2. We have the nail lamp and we also have the glue, but we also have tips at the end. So we are taking out the tips right now. And at first I just thought it's going to be one kind of size tip and that's everything, but no, when you actually open it up you get a wide variety of tips, which is literally amazing. You get full cover tips, you get half cover tips like this one here, so you can actually build your nail. You could, I don't know, use acrylic on top of it or builder gels or whatever you use, but you also have full cover tips, which is amazing. And the gel that you get, that's just on the right hand side, the 6-in-1 nail glue, will allow you to stick on these half tips and full cover tips as well. So as you can also see, even though some of them are full cover and half cover, they are actually also different shapes and sizes. So you get short lengths, you get some coffin, some rounded, you get a really nice wide variety, which just makes your life so much easier. I was really shocked and very happily surprised to see those. So here, for example, you have the full coverage, super long, and then within each bag you have different sizes inside. So yeah, I just thought it was just such a nice little touch. I wasn't really expecting it. I just thought it'd be the standard, I don't know, just an oval full cover and then each bag would be a different size, but actually each bag is just a different shape and everything. So it gives you a lot of opportunities to create anything you want really, which is so nice. So I'm just showing you guys quickly all the sorts that they have in there. And now it's time for the lamp. So it's a very cute little lamp. I think it's so cute. It's super cute. I love their logo as well. So it's a USB LED little lamp. So it's actually quite nice because majority of the time you are probably going to be in a very close proximity of a I don't know, a tablet or a computer. So actually having a USB is actually a great idea, I think, because at first I was thinking maybe it would have been better to have it as an actual plug, but absolutely not, especially as the whole idea I think behind this is for it to just be so cute and compact and you can take it anywhere, even on holiday with you. If you wanted to change your nail designs over, this is literally perfect. This is something I will be doing for sure, taking it with me and changing my nail tips and ideas. So as you can see, I plugged it in and I was silly enough to be waiting for it to turn off and I was getting a bit confused, but after actually reading the instructions, which you probably should do right at the beginning, it says that it will be on for 60 seconds and then it will automatically turn off, which is nice. And it also doesn't get triggered, so obviously since you have your thumb underneath there, I'll quickly show you guys now what you should be doing. So you get a full coverage tip, you test that it fits your nail. You apply some of that glue onto that tip, just right at the tip, right at the top where your cuticle area would be. And then once you apply it on there, you place it onto your nail and then you pop it under the lamp. So I'll kind of demonstrate slightly in a minute. The gel is very thick, which is nice because you know it's going to be good and it won't also leak everywhere, which is really nice too. So you get 50 milliliters of that one, and there you just place it there where I'm pointing, and then you place it onto the nail. And then you're gonna pop into the lamp, and it's just so easy. It's honestly super easy. There we go, that's what I'm showing you. And then here, I decided to play about with those chromes. So I'm going in with just any random reddy orangey kind of shade of red, just quickly applying that on my hand. And then once we apply it, we're going to cure it. And then once it's cured, you get this tacky layer. And on this tacky layer, it's the perfect opportunity to play about with those chromes, because the chromes can really nicely adhere to that tacky layer. And then once they're applied, you're able to pop a top coat on, and then we can see the final result. So I was super excited for those chromes, and I really couldn't wait to try them. So I quickly whipped out my hand and thought it would be a great time quickly to see them, especially as, like I said before, I do not have a red, I don't have any crazy colors of chromes, and it's definitely something I really want to like get more into to kind of expand my nail design creativity. So I thought that this reddy orangey color would be perfect for that chrome. So just applying that real quick. I believe I did the second layer off camera, I think. And also, don't worry guys, I will clean up around those cuticles. I don't know what was going on to me. And every time I'd like tap the brush onto the nail, it like squirted up onto the cuticle area. It was very weird, super weird. And I also decided to only place the gel polish on the 4 fingers. I didn't do the thumb because it was a bit uncomfortable for me. Especially as I couldn't find my hand holder. So I had to like hold it with my left hand. So it was just a massive pain. So just quickly applying that, and then once it gets popped into the lamp, I really wanted to show you guys how easy these chromes are. If you're not into nail art or you don't know how to use chromes, then this is literally perfect. Super easy. It comes with this little makeup applicator spongy thing, and all you do is just dab it into that chrome and just start scraping it all over the nail that you want it on. So like I said, the gel polish has to be cured first, and then you start applying the chrome. There's me there just tapping away any excess I don't need. And then once it's there, you also see that I did go all over the cuticles. It might be easier if you are doing it on a client or even on yourself. It will be much more easier because obviously these fake hands just have these super tall, like annoying nail beds and stuff. So it got all over the place, but it was just really, even if you do get on your skin or your customer, or you can just quickly wipe it off with a nail cleaner liquid and everything is good to go. It will come straight off. It doesn't cure anything. It's just a little pigment essentially. So I decided to apply it on the 2 nails, so the middle finger and the ring finger. And I just feel it looks so cute. And it's just such a simple design here. Just 2 nails of chrome. But I just feel like it looks so nice. I think it'll be a super nice nail design to do. Especially if you do some additional nail art with some maybe black gel polish on top of the actual chrome nails, could be quite nice. But once you're happy, you can then top coat these bad boys, pop it into the lamp, and essentially then you are good to go with your final nail design. So you'll also find that when applying your top coat, it actually creates an even more chromy look. So as you can see right there, it kind of brought it back to life. The color starts to pop a bit more, and it does create that even more chromy look, which is nice. I have not actually ever tried to matte top coat chrome, which could be quite interesting, but I would expect it to just kind of look the way it looks right now probably, or a bit slightly maybe less shiny maybe. Not too sure, but yeah, here we're going in with our top coat. And then once we're happy, we're going to pop it into the lamp, and I will show you guys the final result with the actual cuticles cleaned up and not looking so messy. So that's what it's looking like right here. We're going to pop it into the lamp just now. And then once it's out, here it's what it's looking like. So I think it looks super cute. I love how they look. I love the colours. The chrome is amazing. I can't wait to dig into that kit and film more videos and actually do some nails of my own. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!